Two Airbus A321neo airframes aged just 6 years old are to be scrapped for parts as the industry continues to grapple with supply chain issues and parts shortages. The two aircraft flew for Indigo for almost 6 years but have now been acquired by aircraft aftermarket firm Cessna.io. Despite being so young and theoretically having decades of service life ahead, their value for parts has skyrocketed amid an industry shortage. As such, the airframes will now be broken down and stripped for parts in Castellón, Spain, with some estimates putting the value of each aircraft at over $50 million. Cessna.io announced its acquisition on its LinkedIn page. The two 2019-built A321neos are equipped with a high gross weight enhanced landing gear, Honeywell GTCP 131-9A APUs, GTF nacelles, as well as a quote, highly upgraded avionics suite. More importantly, both are powered by Pratt & Whitney PW1133G-JM engines, which have been facing significant parts shortages amid the global supply chain bottleneck. While Cessna.io does not specify the tail numbers of either aircraft, data from CH Aviation would suggest the two aircraft in question are presently registered as Oscar Echo India Hotel Delta and India Hotel Hotel, and flew under Indigo as Victor Tango India Uniform Delta and India Uniform Echo. Flight Radar 24 shows that these two aircraft were ferried to Castellón in early May, with their final commercial flights occurring in late February. These two jets were delivered to Indigo on 6-year leases from UK-based lessor Deucalion Aviation and departed the airline's fleet in February 2025. With less than 6 years of active service under their belts, the two airframes' accumulated flight hours and flight cycles are modest and obviously well below the average life cycle of an A321neo. While there is a global shortage of parts, there is also a shortage of aircraft, which makes the decision to scrap these two airframes rather puzzling. CH Aviation lists the market value of the two aircraft at over $43 million each. However, Cirium's global head of consultancy, Rob Morris, has estimated the part-out value of each plane at between $45 million and $56.5 million, depending on the condition of each engine. According to Morris, the engines themselves are worth between $15.2 million and $21.4 million. The market lease rate for such youthful aircraft would be around $350,000 per month, which is around $4.2 million per year. If each jet hypothetically remained in service for another 20 years, taking depreciating rates as it ages into account, each aircraft could probably command upwards of $60 to $70 million in rental revenue. As Morris speculates, the owner likely favours cashing in on the aircraft now, rather than shouldering the long-term risk in an uncertain economy. What do you think of this news? Let us know by leaving a comment. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com.